In this video, you'll learn how to link tasks in Microsoft Planner so you can easily jump between related work items and keep everything connected. This is especially helpful when you have tasks that depend on each other or when one task contains important details that another task needs to reference. Let's start with the task you want to link to. Go ahead and open Microsoft Planner in your browser, then navigate to the plan and board where your task lives. Click on the task card you want to reference. This is the task that will act as the destination, the one you'll be jumping to from another task. When the task details panel opens on the right side of the screen, take a look at your browser's address bar. You'll see a unique URL there. This link is what connects directly to that specific task. Highlight the entire URL and copy it. You can use your usual method like right-click and copy or the keyboard shortcut. Now that you've copied the link to the first task, it's time to open the task where you want to add that reference. Think of this second task as the starting point, the one you'll be working in most often, but that needs quick access to the other task. Navigate back to your board if needed, then click on the task card where you want the link to appear. Again, the task details panel will open on the right. Scroll down through the task details until you see the section for attachments. Under that area, you'll find an option labeled Add Attachment. Click on that. When you do, a drop-down menu appears with several choices for how you want to attach something to the task. From this menu, select the option that says Link to a file or website. This tells Planner that you're going to attach something using a URL instead of uploading a file. A small window will open asking for a link and a name. In the field for the link, paste the URL you copied earlier from the first task. This is the direct link back to that original task card. Then, in the name field, type a clear and descriptive label for the link. For example, you might use something like Related Design Task or See Main Requirements here. The goal is to make it obvious to anyone viewing the task what that link points to without them needing to guess. Once you've pasted the URL and given it a name, click Add. Planner will now attach that link to your task as if it were a regular attachment. You'll see it appear in the attachments section with the name you just entered. This attachment is clickable, and when you or anyone on your team selects it, Planner will open the original task you linked to. By doing this, you've created a clickable shortcut between the two task cards. It's a quick way to connect related work, keep dependencies visible, and reduce the time spent searching for information across your board. You can repeat this process to link multiple tasks together, helping your team stay organized and making it easier to follow the flow of work from one task to the next.